So this is what Jaden's found today. What did you find? A drawer that we can open all of a sudden. What's that? Mommy has to make sure there's nothing in there that you can't play with. Oh my. Oh my. Is that fun? And the poor dog is totally tormented. What's going on, chaps? Yeah, I would too run away. What did you find, Jaden? Did you find Mommy's baking trays? I see what you found. Look, Chaps is looking at you with concern. Come here, Chaps. Come here. What did you find? You look very tired. Careful. Careful. Do you want to close it? Let's close it. Close, close, close. Close, close. Mommy, close. Okay. You gonna open it again, or are you done? Oh, no. The jar is not for babies. Sorry. Now you're gonna go see if you can find it. Say hi, everyone. Hi, good morning. We're playing in the kitchen today. Yeah, where are we going again? Back to the stove. Oh, what did you find this time? Oh, now we can get it out. Great. Can you put it back inside? Caca, in your mouth. Come here. What else do you find in there? Careful. Want to stand up? What else do you find in there? Okay, say bye everyone. We're going to go for a nap soon.